one important concept of CPC when we discuss about the representative suit. So have you heard about what is the meaning of representative suit? I am going to let you know. Representative suit is another kind of suit in which there are numerous persons are joined together. How this representative suit can be instituted? Suppose करें अगर there are various people, means to say there is a community of people and all these people are having the same interest in the particular subject. Should all these persons should come to the court and they should bring a suit? Obviously not, because in presence of public policy it should depends on that this should not be a multiplicity of the suit. तो इस मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ सूट को रिड्यूस करने के लिए देयर इज अ प्रोविजन ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव सूट. Under CPC Order 1 Rule 8, it talks about the representative suit in which when there are numerous persons and all the numerous persons are having the same interest in a particular subject matter of dispute, then with the prior permission of the court and the notice is given to the all of the persons who are interested, the suit can be brought. This suit is known as a representative suit. So wherever there are numerous persons, if one person in behalf of himself as well as in behalf of all other persons having the same interest will brought a suit. But two things always should be taken into consideration. First thing is that before instituting the suit, this person should ensure that all those persons again in favor of them, on behalf of them you are bringing a suit, all should have the same interest. So the term that is same interest is very important. Same interest should be there. Secondly, unless and until the court is giving you permission, you cannot be allowed to do so. It means there should be a prior permission of the court. The court should allow that okay, it's fine, all these persons should be joined together or should take the suit by one of the person. Second important thing is that suppose when the court has given the permission to bring a suit by one person on behalf of all the person, second important thing is that rule of natural justice, because you have involved all the persons. So it is not necessary that they should also be given the information that a suit has been brought on behalf of them. Obviously yes. So it means the notice must be given either at the cost of the plaintiff who has come to the court saying that I want to present this representative suit, or as the discretion of the court. So all these persons should be given the notice. Once the prior permission of the court is taken, notice is given to all the parties, that is known as a suit, which is popularly known as representative suit. So Order 1 Rule 8 talks about the representative suit. I told you the meaning of representative suit. Now I just want to give the what would be the effect of representative suit. Now please remember, whenever this representative suit has been brought, two things needs to be considered. One, that is if all the persons have taken the suit in form of representative, whether the person on behalf of them you have brought the suit, whether res judicata will apply against them or not, answer is yes, because section 11 talks about that in terms of representative suit all these persons will be bound by res judicata. Second thing, that if the person wants to withdraw the suit, if the person wants to compromise the suit, please remember all these persons who have been joined in the representative suit should be given the notice as well as their consent is necessary. So if without taking their consent the suit is withdrawn or the suit is compromised, the result would be void in terms of these persons. So this was the representative suit. There are various case laws we can go through, but actually it was the crux. So the representative suit Order 1 Rule 8 is to be read with section 11 as well as section Order 22 and 23. Thanks for watching this video.